Hi guys, in front of me is LG Q70 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select display and go to wallpaper and view. Now go to all wallpapers and choose the one that you want to apply. So actually here we've got the collage wallpapers, live wallpapers, or one from default wallpapers. Let me also show you one from live wallpapers. So for example this one, you can apply it, or obviously you can pick another one if you have some more live wallpapers downloaded. However, let me choose one from default wallpapers, for example this one, then click on allow. This is how it will look like, and then select set wallpaper. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.